This is a 30-day step-by-step system that builds discipline even when you feel tired, lazy, or unmotivated. Step 1. Pick a single power action. Day 1. You are not fixing your life. You are installing one control point. Choose one action that improves your future, feels slightly uncomfortable, and takes 30 minutes or less. Like studying a high-income skill, training, writing, or reading technical material. This is the only habit that matters for 30 days. Everything else is noise. Step 2. Create a failure penalty. This is still day 1. If skipping has no consequence, you will skip. So define one penalty that is immediate, annoying, and hurts just enough. For example, donate money you care about losing, do 200 bodyweight squats, cold shower plus no phone that night, or publicly comment, "I failed today," and remember the penalty should happen the same day. No debate. Discipline grows when your brain learns skipping is worse than doing. Step 3. Fix the time window. Days 1 to 7, not a specific time, but a window. For example, between 6 to 7 a.m. or between 7 to 8 p.m. Your rule is that if it's not done by the end of the window, you've failed the day. That means you have to do the penalty that you set for yourself in step 2. No rollovers. No, I'll do it later. Deadlines create obedience. Step 4. Use the 2-minute entry rule. Days 8 to 14. Resistance peaks at the start. So your rule is you must work for 2 minutes. After that, you're free to stop. But here's the trap. Once started, stopping feels worse than continuing. Discipline is built by starting, not finishing. Step 5. Stack controlled boredom. Days 15 to 21. Motivation dies when things get boring. Good. That's where discipline lives. Every day, add 10 minutes of boredom. Sit still, no phone, no music, and no stimulation. This retrains your dopamine system to tolerate silence. People who can tolerate boredom can tolerate discipline. Step 6, the final step, remove emotional check-ins. Days 22 to 30. Stop asking, do I feel like it? Am I in the mood? Is today different? Replace it with one question. Is it scheduled? If yes, you execute. Feelings are irrelevant data. Final rule. This is crucial. For 30 days, no upgrades, no optimization, and no adding habits to the system. One task, one time, one rule. After day 30, discipline isn't something you chase. It's something you expect from yourself. If you're starting today, follow this system and comment day 1. Come back in 30 days and let me know how it went.